Fam, it's a boy Nazi. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we're going to be dealing with a DXY, but firstly we have to go on a higher time frame, So we're going to be dealing with the DXY and the gold, GBP USD, USD Swiss franc, So on the DXY, guys, I'm going to teach you on how to understand first the DXY. Once you start understanding the DXY, you'll understand how it correlates with other pairs, So this is Sunday. It's another Sunday session. Firstly, what I'm doing, I'm just going to be cleaning my charts. What I'm going to be doing, sorry about that, guys. What I'm going to be doing, I'm just going to be cleaning my charts. After cleaning my charts, switch on to where? To my line chart mode. I'm going to switch on to my line chart mode. Once I switch on to my line chart mode, what's the big question is, I check the trend, I'm going to be using my trend line to check my trend for Stuguti. Where am I trending actually? Like, I say that my trend line is telling me that I'm in an uptrend. We are in an uptrend currently, but you have to check again. This thing is sort of like giving us a flag, So if it's giving us sort of a flag, and here's another one. The upper trend line is telling us that it is a downtrend because why? Price failed to break above this zone over here that it has just created. It failed to close above resistance. That's what I'm saying, that price failed to cross above resistance. This is the daily resistance. But firstly, I need to switch on my line chart mode, guys, to understand like, am I placing this on the correct scale? I see that I currently placed it on the correct scale. But there's Sosa. Why in the Sosa? So we have to check the charts correctly. Where is the market currently going? We're not going to focus on other things. We're just going to focus on the current market price action. We're just going to focus here on this current price. And this resistance is pretty much validated, guys. That's why we are going to be looking for sellers. 1, 2, 3, So the resistance is very much powerful. That resistance is very much powerful. So since that resistance is very much powerful, I need to, again, line chart mode, horizontal lines. Okay, let me go to my daily time frame. I want to see the charts more because of like already on my weekly I understand where am I going. Shit, network again, guys. Sorry if the chat is gonna be slow. My network again is fucked up again. I don't understand telecom sometimes. Every time when I'm working, every time when it's time for me to work, but my network be freezing, bro. My network be doing issue on me every time I'm working. Okay. Nibona the resistance how validated it is, bro. On the daily time frame, that this resistance is very powerful. I see we had a couple of fake outs over here. Fake outs, market failed multiple times to cross above, So what I'm just gonna be doing, I'm about to space on this, I wanna be fast also, like I wanna keep this video short, like 15 minutes. Don't be a call. Sorry about those things, guys. SS. As you guys can see, that resistance, how validated it is. So what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be cutting these things out. I want to keep my charts clean as possible. It is very important for me to have clean charts. It is very important for me to have clean charts. It's like cooking in a kitchen, on a dirty kitchen. So it's very important for the kitchen to be clean. So I'm gonna take this as a fake out. I'm taking it as a fake out. This is a fake out, guys. This is a fake out. There's nothing else besides a fake out. So this kitchen of ours, I'm taking this, I'm placing it here. What I see is that we broke the trend line. We broke the support. I'm taking it as a support, but let me take this one out and put this one in. I want to show you. I want to put this one in so that we can cover also the wicks. You know, it is very important to cover also the wicks. It is very important to cover those wicks. You know, and we had a triple top over here, guys. Double top, top 1, top 2, and top 3, which is a triple top. We have to look at thoroughly, clearly, guys. Please don't rush when you analyze the DXY, because of like, once you do not understand the DXY, the other pairs that you're going to analyze based on the DXY are going to be a fuck up pairs. You're going to have misled directions, you know. So it's important to understand first the DXY. I know that I'm a bit slow when I'm analyzing. It's because I don't want to rush the process of analyzing this market. I want to understand where is the market going, you know. Understanding market structure is very important. Okay, currently price, it's at the support level on the daily time frame. We are currently on the, you know, I can understand you and analyze the daily candle for you guys and tell you where is the daily candle going. I'm not about to rush this, you know, but what I'm gonna tell you is that price is literally going down, you know, literally going down, but it's not gonna be like this and do this on the daily time frame. No, it won't do that. But understanding is key. Understanding is key. Let's go on the lower time frame. Okay, so what I see on the lower time frame, guys, please understand, it is very important to analyze with cautions. To analyze with understanding, not rush for the sake of just analyzing. No, because of flu is killing me. It is very, very important to understand the DXY. For me, it is very much important. I'm not the type of trader that will rush everything up. And please, this week, guys, I'm recording my account growth series. I'm telling you guys that I'm taking 20 rand somewhere. I'm about to take 20 rand to another level, you know. I want to show people that you don't need big monies to start trading, bro. You don't need that. So guys, now we understand. Look at you on the 4-hour time frame. Guys, literally closed outside the support level of the daily time frame, which make this a resistance. It is making this a resistance, as I can see, because we have two candlesticks that closed below the support level. That support is turning into a resistance. This support is turning into a resistance. Support is turning into a resistance. The fuck? Support is turning into a resistance. You know? So I'm about to do my thing. The first target will be here. The first target for DXY is up up. That's the first target that we are going to be targeting in the market. This is the first target that I'm targeting, you know. I can even go to the 1 hour. And I know there are not many brokers whereby you are able to trade the DXY, but let me give you some. Exness is the best when it comes to DXY, you know. Exness for me, like that's the only broker that I see whereby I can trade the DXY. It is the only broker that I see that I can able to trade the DXY. So let's go to gold. Gold correlates mostly with the DXY. Since the DXY is selling, guys, just know that the gold is buying. Oh! So the previous analysis for gold is that I'm just going to be updating. I'm not going to be clearing the charts over here. I'm just going to be updating my analysis. I'm not clearing anything because I know where we're going. Since gold has been on a buy ever since 2024 started. So we might be looking for a retest on the daily. Nope. On the lower time frame. We need to understand the lower time frame. I currently see something that I want you guys to see also, and that is very important. I know that it charts some designs, some dark and all that, but guys, please, I want you to see this. I want you guys to see this. Yes, sir. Yes, I want you guys to see that. So on the low, I'm gonna be clearing this. Pull, susala, pull, lele. You know. So what happened, guys? You know, this trade, I don't wanna lie with you guys. I did not stick long to this trade. Reason being, shit. Interfering with trades. I have this sickness of interfering with trades. So price is currently now it's done retesting. That's what I'm saying. Oof. Price is done retesting. That's what I'm saying. Gold, no. This is what's gonna happen this week. It's still valid, but we are going to be looking on the next 4-hour candle, which is the next day's candle, the next candle of this week. That we are going to see is that it's going to be bullish, but it's going to come a little bit up, then touch into support, then we shoot up and go above, you know. That's the best thing that I can tell you right now. USD-JPY. Let's go to USD-JPY. USD-JPY is currently. USD-JPY. I'm just gonna analyze it from the top, guys. I don't wanna lie to you guys. I'm just gonna analyze it again. I'm just gonna reanalyze it and try to understand it, because of like, wow. So ever since the week started last week, the USD GPU has been looking for bears. Now it's okay, as you guys can see. What's the time? I need to be taking a bath, man, like, you know. And the trend is uptrend. Okay, now it's okay. Line chart mode. It is very important to understand the line chart mode. Guys, with the USD GPY, I see an unfinished business. We are still gonna buy, but why do I see an unfinished business with the USD GPY for bulls? Is that USD GPY broke resistance? This is a previous resistance. This is a previous resistance. You know, shot up and came to retest a bit. Why? But what's the problem? It didn't hatch here and go up. So currently price is looking to come down, touch properly where the resistance tend to support. You know, this support then shoots up properly. That's what I'm saying. It is looking forward to give us a double bottom, then shoot up on the weekly time frame. That's what I'm saying with the dollar index, with the USD GPUMs. Why am I tripping with the dollar index? You know, our overall trend is an uptrend, like literally, until the price decides. Until the price decides to break above the trend line, then I know we are having change of directions. We are going for bears, but currently we're on top of support. Machi, we are going to be looking for buyers. Price is looking for a way forward to retest. Then I go to my daily time frame because of like my weekly time frame is bearish, and tomorrow is a new week also, which means we are going to be having a bullish, no bearish candle. But we're gonna see also how we do tomorrow. So let me just get this out and take winner and place you here. Double top that I see. Double top, which is an M that I see. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm using the parallel channel. Why am I using this parallel channel? It's because of like I need the wicks, you know, the pointy wicks, the sharp points of the candle to also have touch to know that I'm safe. You know, once price decides to break this, I know definitely we're going until here, then we go above. You know, I know definitely. Let me do this. I wanna see everything properly. Yes, sir. As I was saying, you know, firstly we gotta trace where the price came from. Lower low, higher high, lower high, higher high, lower low. It's a lower high. Why am I saying it's a lower high? Because this high is higher than this high. So yeah, it's a lower high, higher high, lower high, higher high. We initially broke what? Resistance. We broke this resistance. We came where? Lower low, higher low, lower low, higher high. This high is higher than this high. Lower high, higher high, lower low, higher high, lower low. This low is lower than this low. then this low over there, lower low, you know, it's currently supporting a bit, from what I'm saying, but you know, it's currently supporting it. But what I'm waiting for is that price should just come and with the daily candlestick, retrace with the daily candlestick and continue, you know, to support zone. That's what I'm anticipating from the charts. But let's go to the 4 hour. I need to make this fast. Network again, guys, please forgive me, my network is bad. Okay, from what I've seen is that yes sir, we are currently in a support zone. We are currently where? In the support zone. We are currently in a support zone. This is how we're moving. Let me just get and then clear charts again, guys. Remember, since we know where price action is going, where price is going, since we know where price is going, I'm waiting for this now. Play your butt. Cut. You know? And plus now, guys, I need you guys to see this. Price closed below support. Price closed below support with this bullish candle in yana. So yeah, tomorrow it's Monday. We are going to be seeing some movements, like highly anticipated movements, and we are going to be seeing price moving forward with this plan that I have over here. So what I'm going to be doing, this is what I'm going to be placing. My short position tool. Once we break that resistance, that support zone properly. Once we break it properly, then we attack. I'm going to be sending the signal. Properly break. I'm going to be sending this to my group. You know, clear charts again. I want to analyze. I want to work with clear charts. I'm working with clear charts over here. Do you guys see what I'm saying? I need you guys to see what I'm saying. Price action is the best. I don't want to lie to you. Yeah. Price actions, keeping it simple, keeping it clean, understanding where price is going is one of the best things you can do as a trader. Saved. So I'm not going to be analyzing other pairs. Reason being, I need to make sure that this video is nicely short, nicely prepared. So I'm going to be coaching you with a JBP USD. So with a JBP USD, what I'm saying is that, let me go to my daily. What I see from the daily is that we broke resistance. Since we broke resistance, we've never retested it. So what I'm waiting for is that since price is above, I'm waiting for this retest to come and hit and continue with them buys towards this target over here, towards our target, their target. You know, that's what I'm currently waiting for. So yeah, I will be sending also like the technical analysis to the group also. I will be saving this also. I just want to keep it simple, guys. It's the best thing to keep price simple. So none of these entry points with the JBPUSD, it was never triggered because of why? I expected the retest to come and fail here. I expected the price. Since price broke resistance, I expected the price to come and retest, touch our entry point, then we go above. Since price didn't do none of those, it decided to break resistance and just go up. And with here also, I thought the market was gonna just come down and retest, but no, it didn't. So it just came here to this tool over here. So what I'm waiting for it now just to come down so that they can continue with them bias towards the upper side, you know. So yeah, that's what I'm currently anticipating with a GBP USD. Gee. Now let me coach you the man of the match, the man of the moment. Ooh, yeah. Euro USD Swiss franc. Weekly time frame. I need you guys to understand it from the weekly perspective. Where is the USD Swiss franc going? So with the USD Swiss franc, I saw an inverse head and shoulder. You know, that made it quite simple to understand where price is currently heading. You know, our head. It made it quite like understanding for me, easy. Go to Asan. Price is looking for there, then we can go up. Then we can go up. Nope. That thing is. I want you guys to see this head and shoulder properly. Plot twist. Let me plot it correctly. I want you guys to see this head and shoulders properly. Yes, sir. You see that? That's what I wanted you guys to see properly. Head and shoulders. So that's why I knew that the US dollar Swiss franc is going for sellers. Because of like, it needs to fill over here. It needs to fill this right shoulder. Then we continue with buys until this upper side. You know, until that upper side. But if I'm wrong, it's gonna just come and touch on the head. Then yeah, shoot up. So daily, time frame, resistance. We had a bearish engulfing candle over here, a bearish engulfing candle. So I'm looking for another candle, another daily candle for tomorrow. Then we go down, but I'm not gonna turn a blind eye on this resistance, on this support here. Price mid support over here, or break this support and turn it into a resistance down. But yeah, that's it. I'm currently in that trade. I'm gonna show you guys. I entered a bit late on the trade. Let me just save and send it to the group. That's all from me to you guys. I'm done with the analysis. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. If you enjoy, please guys, tell me to way to improve also. I might improve for you guys. You know, there's the trade that I'm in. I want you guys to see this. As you guys can see, here's the right shoulder. So we're waiting for price to create, that's the left shoulder. We're waiting for price to create this right shoulder, then we up. You know, these are the first targets. Then we're done. Thank you guys. I'm signing out.